today we're all loaded up in the new to me 2004 F-250. First time towing with it, and we're going to pick up something cool. Let's see what it is. Well, we're here at the car, and as expected, it's not an easy recovery. So what we're picking up today is a 1960 Thunderbird convertible, and all four wheels are locked up. So this is fun. I did get the tires take a little bit of air, but we'll see if we can get the wheels unstuck so it'll roll a little bit better, and then maybe we can drag it up on the trailer. So shit show does not even begin to describe what we went through. Not only were all four tires stuck, I couldn't get them unstuck, and then my ramp snapped, and we had to stack up blocks of wood, and then my battery died for my winch. So to get it back right, what we did was we took the battery out of my F-250, one of them, while it was running, and used that as a winch battery, left the truck running, then put the battery back in once we got it winched on there. So, successful. It's on there. It's not as nice of a car as I had hoped, but still, fun project. So we'll get it home, and we'll try to see if we can get the hood and the trunk open and just go through it and assess what it is. The only reason I got this car is because it was a good deal. Yet again, I shouldn't have picked it up, but I did. So here it is. Well, she is a beauty. Now, of course, when they sent me the pictures on it, they sent me the pictures of this side, which is clean and looks a little bit better. But overall, the car's not too bad. There are some issues with some paint pops and rust, things of that nature, but that's gonna happen. And obviously we have a lot of cleaning out to do in here. But let's get underneath there and see what the floors look like. Look at that dashboard. That thing's awesome. Absolute favorite part about this car, though, has got to be these taillights. Good Lord. Another cool thing you'll notice here is, the hood release on the inside, but you've got this handle that says O-Drive. That's for overdrive. So when you're at highway speed, you can pull that out and have overdrive, even with 3-speed on the column, which is pretty cool, I must say. So obviously, you can see right there, there's some issues. The floor is going to need attention. Overall, the floor is mostly solid. But being that it's a convertible and the roof is probably leaking, I'm sure there was water coming in there. Everything on the front end's intact. You can kind of see the engine. Let's see if we can get the hood open. So at first glance, it looks pretty stock, but it's not. You can see they've upgraded the ignition system, Mallory coil, nice wires. Somebody swapped out and put an alternator on here. I'm assuming this came with a generator originally, obviously an aftermarket car, but well, maybe not. It's got a heat riser choke on it. Maybe it's not aftermarket. I don't know what this had on it. Who am I kidding? Anyway, 3-speed manual transmission, 3-speed on the column. Nobody updated the brakes though. Still have a single bowl master cylinder over there. We are going to mess with this a different day, see if we can get it running. So now that we've got the car here, we've assessed what's there. What are we going to do next? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to try to get the engine fired up. We did grab the fan. We were able to turn it a little bit. Actually, the crank turned. So we know the engine's not completely locked up. The interior needs to come out. We need to check the floor pans. We need to see about getting the trunk open and getting the top folded back, make it a lot easier. And we also still need to work about getting a title too. But if any of you are T-Bird aficionados, or if you have any personal experiences with this body style Thunderbird, please drop some information below. Let us know. Until next time, happy hot rodding.